Here we go, brand new inventory. 2013 Ford Econoline extended handicap wheelchair conversion van. It's got a Braun Sentry 2 side entry, 800-pound wheelchair lift. It's got jump seats inside. It's got Straints tie downs all throughout the cargo area. It's got all your extra seat belts. This thing's plug and play, ready to go. 37,000 original miles. Gorgeous conditions, ready to go to work today, use it privately. Really nice van. We specialize in these vans. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. This is a 2013 Ford Econoline. It's got the raised side entry doors, Braun Sentry 2, 800-pound wheelchair lift, excellent shape. 37,000 miles. That is a folding jump seat right there. Folds up, folds down if you want to use it. Also has 2 seats in the rear. I'm going to give you the full tour here and I'll show you how all the equipment's working and everything. Got Straints tie downs in the floor, ratchet straps, original owner's manuals. Condition is excellent. Super nice and clean. Doesn't smell inside. 37,000 original miles. It's really nice finds. Got interlock system. Everything's working. Got dual air, heat.
Never having help.
Radio's working. Seats are in excellent shape. It's got hardcore rubber flooring in excellent shape. As you can see, headliner's good. Again, no odors on the inside. This jump seat pops right down. You just pull this lever. And I'll show you how that works. There is a lever over here to recline the backrest, and then you have this lever here that pops it back in place. So once you get the hang of it, it's just up and down, in and out. Kind of tricky when you're trying to hold the camera at the same time. This van's got all the extra seat belts, all Straints, LEDs in the back here. Everything's working exactly the way it's supposed to. No issues, no stories. Please give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, happy to help you. It's got your added rear step. It also has the added grab bar in the back. You could easily put a stretcher dock in here if you wanted to. It's got a second battery set up here. Actually, this is not a second battery setup. These are extra tie downs and seat belts that go along with the van. It's a 4.6 liter V8. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns. This is a 250 extended model with 37,000 miles. Clean Carfax, clean title. No stories with it. It's ready to go. Tires are good. It's not rusty. The body's in good shape. Tires are nice. It's like laser straight down the sides. I mean, it shows very nicely. There's the frame. As you can see, it's very nice and clean. The roof has a couple little spots on it, but nothing crazy. Nothing that you have to repair. Just a couple little scratches from normal wear and tear. I'm going to show you how this wheelchair lift works. It's got added spotlights on the wheelchair lift. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Give us a like, give us a follow. As you can see, the condition of this van is awesome. We've been in business 46 years. We're happy to help at any time. We can ship anywhere in the world. No warning lights on. The brake light's on, so you could use a wheelchair lift. You need that on with the interlock system. I'm going to show you under the hood. Get an idea what that looks like as well. Again, it's a 4.6 liter. This is an E250 van. Nice and clean under the hood. Good battery. All the fluids are good. Just been oil changed. Nothing to do with this van. It's ready to go today. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. I'm using the handheld pendant. This is a Braun Century 2 800-pound wheelchair lift, as you can see. There is a spot here on the inside of the side door. It looks like where the wheelchair lift put a little damage into the door. It's superficial. Just try to point out everything we can on every vehicle so you can see what you're looking at. Everything's working, operating exactly the way it's supposed to. What's nice about this, the van comes with these nice little bungee points so you can keep the doors open when you're using it. The condition is gorgeous, inside out. We can ship anywhere in the world. Don't hesitate to call us. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 46 years in business. We only have 5-star reviews. Happy to help at any time. Just let us know your situation. We're happy to discuss it with you. Thank you.